Hello students, in today's class we are going to see some problems on relationship between zeros and its coefficients. Okay, let us see the first problem in exercise 2.2. X square minus 2x minus 8. This is a quadratic polynomial and we have to find out its zeros and also relationship between the zeros and its coefficients. Okay, let us solve this problem now. This is the given problem, x square minus 2x minus 8. To find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, first we have to use splitting middle term method. So the product should be 8 minus 8 and the sum should be minus 2. This is product and this is sum. So take two numbers. When you multiply those two numbers, the result should be minus 8, product should be minus 8, and if you add the same numbers, the answer should be minus 2. So let us take the numbers like factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. So now let us see 4 minus 2 is 2. To get minus 2, we have to take the two factors as one is minus 4 and the other one is plus 2. See, if you add minus 4 plus 2, the result is minus 2. In the same way, if you multiply minus 4 into plus 2, you will get minus 8. So these two numbers satisfy both the conditions. One is when you add the two numbers, the result is minus 2. When you multiply the same numbers, the result is minus 8. Okay, so this can be written as x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. If you take out common from these two terms, now grouping these two terms and these two terms, what you will get? X square minus 4x is one group plus 2x minus 8 is one group. Now from these two, you can take out x common. X into x is x square minus x into 4 is minus 4x. Now plus, if you take 2 common from these two, we'll get x minus 4. Now see, 2 into x 2x, 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Now from these two, if you observe this one and this one, you can take out common from the whole part. So where do we get then? X minus 4. If you take out, the remaining numbers are like x plus 2. That means these two are factors of the given quadratic polynomial. Now x minus, to find the zeros, we have to equate each factor to 0. Then we'll get 4. Again x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. These two are called zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. Okay, these two are called zeros of given quadratic polynomial. Now for better understanding whether they are zeros or not, we just do, let us check whether these two zeros are possible or not. Okay, now x equal to 4, I am replacing here 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 8. So 4 square is 16, minus 4 into 4 is minus 8 minus, Now let us check whether these are zeros or not. 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 8. 4 square is 16 minus 8 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is minus 16. So we got 0. So we can say x equal to 4 is the 0 of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, now let us check the other one. Minus 2 square minus 2 into minus 2 minus 8. 4 minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4 minus 8. 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 8. After cancellation we got 0. So by observing we can say that x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 2 are zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. They asked to find the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship with the coefficients. Now we know x equal to 4 comma minus 2 are zeros. Now let us take 1 0 as alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to minus 2. 2 zeros as we learned in the previous video, what are sum of zeros and product of zeros, and usually the zeros are represented with alpha and beta for a quadratic polynomial. So I have taken 2 zeros, one is alpha and the other one is beta, and I equated with the obtained zeros. Okay, that is 4 and minus 2. Now according to the formula, sum of zeros, nothing but sum means alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros is 4 plus minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So the result is 2. What according to the formula, alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. Now we have to convert this plus 2 in terms of these two. So I am writing alpha plus beta equal to minus of minus 2, and the denominator I am writing 1. Anyway, if you see, now observe this, minus into minus plus 2 by 1 plus 2 by 1 is 2. The same 2 I am writing in other way. Now if you see minus, what is minus 2 here? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x by, what is 1 here? Coefficient of x square. Let us see product of zeros here. Alpha into beta equal to 4 into minus 2 will gives us minus 8. So how do we write this minus 8? Minus 8 by 1. So now if you see from the polynomial, minus is 8 is nothing but constant, by 1 is nothing but coefficient of x square. So this is the relation between 0 and polynomials, zeros and coefficients of a polynomials. Okay. Coefficient of x square. This is how we'll find the relation between zeros and the coefficients. And I think you are clear with the problem. Let us take one more other example so that you can understand more easily. Okay. Now let us see second problem, that is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Now we are trying to solve this problem. Okay, now let us see this problem. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So by splitting middle term, product should be 4 into 1, 4. Product should be 4. Sum should be minus 4. Now let us take two numbers which when we multiply we should get plus 4, and if we add the same numbers we should get minus 4. Okay, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Now 4 plus 1, 5, it is crossing minus 4. 4 minus 1 is also crossing minus 4. So this one we can neglect. Now see, the two factors are 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8, but this is also not possible. So what we have to take? Two into 2, 4, but when you add 2 plus 2, we are getting plus 4. To get minus, so what I am doing is I am taking minus 2, minus 2. Now see, minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Now minus 2 plus of minus 2. I am adding those both minus 2 values. We'll get minus 2 plus of minus minus 2. When we have same symbol we have to add, then 4 and the same symbol, that is minus. So we are getting minus 2. We are getting minus 4. So this is how we find the factors. Four 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. So then what is grouping them? Then we'll get from these two, we'll get 2s as common. Now see, 2s, 2 2s are 4, s into s is s square. So 4s square can be written as 2s into 2s. Minus, if you take out 2s, we'll get 1. 2s into 1 is minus 2s, right? Minus, here if you take, there is no common value from these two, so I'm taking minus 1 as common, because I should get minus for this 1 also. 2s minus 1 into 2s is minus 2s. Minus into minus plus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Now from these two you can take out these two common. So we'll get 2s minus 1 if you take common. We'll get the other one as remaining is here 2s. The other one is here minus 1. So the two factors are now 2s minus 1. The other one is also 2s minus 1. These two are the factors. Now to make it zeros, equal to 0, 2s equal to 0 plus 1, 2s equal to 1, s equal to 1 by 2. The both are as both are same, the other values also will get 1 by 2. Okay, these are the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 are zeros. Now let us check 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So this can be written as 4 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Okay, so the remaining value is here only 1 minus 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 into 1 plus 1. Now adding up positive numbers, we will get 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will get 2. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Answer 0. So what we can say, as the result obtained is 0, we can say 1 by 2 is the 0 of the given quadratic polynomial. Now let's verify the relationship. Okay, that is alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta equal to 1 by 2. What are alpha and beta? Alpha and beta are variables which are used to represent zeros of a polynomial. So I have taken as we have for a quadratic polynomial we have 2 zeros. Those 2 zeros are represented with, one is with alpha, the other one is with beta. Now sum of zeros, alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to, LCM is 2, will get 2 by 2 equal to 1. Okay, now how can I write this 1? I am writing this one as minus of minus 4 by 4. I am writing like this. Why I am using 4 here? Because what is the general formula? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So we need minus symbol, so I am writing the plus 1 here as plus 1 as plus as minus of minus, and 1 can be written as 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So you will get, anyway you will get 1 only. So I am writing this 1 as 4 by 4 and this plus as minus of minus. So this can be further be written as minus of, minus 4 means what? Coefficient of s by, what is 4 here? Coefficient of s square. This is how we see sum of zeros. Okay, let us see product of zeros now. Alpha into beta equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4. From this polynomial, what is 1? 1 is nothing but constant value. Constant by, what is this 4? Coefficient. Coefficient of s square. Okay, this is how we find product of zeros. Now you try the remaining problems by yourself in this Roman, that is 6x square minus 3x minus 7x, and this is also the same model. If you have any doubt, I'll explain it in the next class. Thank you. That's all for today's class.